Recently I've read that you can use boiled linseed oil and paint thinner to restore faded plastics on cars and ATVs and stuff. So today I thought I'd give that a try and see how it works. Here I got some odorless paint thinner and some boiled linseed oil. From what I've seen, it needs to be the boiled linseed oil. If it's not boiled, then they say it makes it really sticky. And then I got me a jar to mix it up in. From what I've read, you don't need but just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, so let's give it a try. I've seen some places where they say to mix it 60% paint thinner, 40% linseed oil. I've seen some places that says 50-50, so I think I'm going to do the 50-50, and I'm just going to eyeball it in this jar and just judge it by eye. For the linseed oil, just a little more. I think that's about close. We'll give that a try. I'm going to stir it up. Now I'm using this jar that I got a lid to, so maybe if I got some left over I can close it up and that paint thinner won't evaporate. You can see here that this plastic on this bumper's pretty faded and weathered, so we're going to give it a try on this. Got me a clean cloth. Just going to dip it in here, get some on it, rub it in really good. Oh, this stuff does go a long ways. I didn't need that much on my rag. Alright, I'm going to let that sit a few minutes, and then we'll come back with a clean dry rag and wipe off any excess. It's been several minutes. I'm going back over and wiping off the excess after it's soaked in there a while. You can notice a good difference in it before and after. It looks much better than it did beforehand. I'm going to go over it just one more time with one more coat. Repeat the same process again and make sure I got everything soaked down good in it. Here it is after the second coat, and I done got done wiping it down. It looks significantly better considering it's been battling the elements for 24 years. I believe it came out pretty good. Everyone knows how quick Armor All will wear off. Armor All on dull plastics can shine it up temporarily, but after a week or so, or if you drive in the rain, that Armor All just washes off and it looks the same as it did beforehand. So I think this may be a good alternative to using Armor All on this stuff. I have to say I'm pretty happy with the results I got with that today. Now the question is, how well does it hold up over time? Does it just last a week like the Armor All does, or will it last longer? I'm going to do a follow-up video to this after a month or so to let you know how well it's holding up. I'll post that video on YouTube, and when it's ready, I'll link it in this video right here so you can check it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll see the next video. Appreciate you coming out. Thank you for watching.